For our second example, we are going to look at a blood bank that catalogs types of blood, including whether it is positive or negative, given by donors in the last 5 days, where the number of donors of each type is given in our table, and what we want to do is find the probability that the donor has type B blood or is negative, has negative blood, as it were. So if we're trying to find this probability of B or negative, what we have to understand here is, looking at that table, there are some cases where we get type B blood, as well as some cases where we have negative blood. But there are also cases where we get both. We have those rare 8 cases of B and negative blood. So we have to knock those out because they're in each of those categories already. Probability of B and negative. So for our probability here, what we would have is the 45 out of 409 that were type B, plus the 65 out of 409 that were negative, and then minus the 8 out of 409 that were both, because that 8 lands here, and it also lands there. So, when we compute this, add those up, subtract 8, and we would get 102 out of 409, or if you prefer a decimal, about 25%.